Hello, my name is Dwight Cliff here with Cliff's Construction here in Indianapolis, Indiana. Today I'm going to talk about this carriage house that we recently completed here on the east side of Indianapolis. But first, if you're looking to have a carriage house built as well here in Indianapolis, please go to our website at www.cliffsconstruction.com. Go to the Work With Us tab, get that form filled out, and I'll be sure to get back in touch with you as soon as possible. Now to the carriage house build. Before we got here, there was an old footer, old concrete pad. We got all that stuff out of here and we came back with new. So we got new concrete footer, new foundation, the whole thing. We put in a new sewer and a new water line as well, and a new overhead 200 amp electrical service as well. For the siding, we use James Hardie siding, trim, soffit, and fascia, as well as an Atlas lifetime warranty shingle. And so this building is built to last. Moving into the carriage house, on the concrete floor, you'll notice that we put down an epoxy coating with a lifetime warranty. Moving up the stairs, we use stained oak treads that matches the laminate floor that we put down, and so there's an attention to detail with a lot of the projects that we build. The carriage house itself is about 1,200 square foot, with a full apartment above. Full laundry, full kitchen, full bathroom, and so you can house a guest for a long-term or even a short-term stay. And so, if you're looking to build a carriage house here in the Indianapolis area, go to our website at www.cliffsconstruction.com, go to the Work With Us tab, get that form filled out, hit send, don't forget that, and I'll be sure to get back in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.